Hello friends, this is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bhat Gandhinagar. In Advanced Java Programming, Unit 2, JDBC Programming, we already discussed the types of statement or JDBC program. In this video session, we will discuss result set interface. So, what is the use of result set interface? Why we required? So, reading the result set, we require the result set interface. There are various methods using which the data can be retrieved using the result set object. The method can be used with either the column name or with the column index. So let me discuss the method covered in result set interface. First, navigation method. So navigational method is used to move the cursor around. Second, get method. Get method is required to use to view the data in column or current row being pointed by the cursor. Update method is used to update the data in column of current row. The update can be updated in underlying database as well. Means while we are altering the table, modify the information, so update method will use. Then Boolean first method throw SQL exception. So this is used to move the cursor to the first row, and last is used to move the cursor to last row. Boolean next is required to move the cursor to the next row while we are performing the result. So if you are performing the one by one object, so next method will use move the cursor to the next row. This method return the false if there are no more row in the result set. If you are performing this method, so the table will be uh, table contain the 5 row, and last position your cursor indicate no one entry in table, so next row will become false. Then previous, so in this method it return the false with previous row if of the result set. Means your database or table that contain 5 record, and if you are moving the previous from last location, so 5 after click on previous, so we get 4 3 2 and 1, and cursor move the last position, that is 1, so it return the false if the previous row is off. Means it cannot go to 0 position because last or first position is already pointed. Boolean absolute integer row through SQL exception, so it move the cursor to specified row. Boolean relative integer row, that through SQL exception move the cursor to given number of row forward or backward from where it is currently pointed. Integer get row, it return the row number that cursor is pointed. Integer get integer string column name through SQL exception, it return integer in current row in column name. Get integer column index, it return the integer in current row in specified column index. The column index start at 1, meaning the first column of row is 1, second column of row is 2, and so on. We will discuss in exercise or practical session. Get string column label through SQL exception, so it retrieve the value of designate column in the current row of the result set object as a string. Get string integer column index, so it retrieve the value of designate column in the current row of result set object as a string in Java programming language. Update method. So void update string integer column index string s. Change the string in specified column to value s. Void update integer column underscore index integer x. So it update the designated column with an integer value. Void update float integer column index float x through the SQL exception. Update the designated column with a float value, and if you are using the double, so it updates the value by using double value. Here types of result set, like result set type underscore forward only. So the cursor can only move forward in the result set. So this is the restriction. Result set type scroll insensitive. So cursor can scroll forward and backward, and the result set is not sensitive to change made by other to the database that occur after the result set was created. And the last one is type scroll sensitive. The cursor can scroll forward, backward, and the result set is sensitive to change the made by other to the database that occur after the result set was created. So this is the default type. Forward is concurrency of result set. What do you mean by concurrency? Concurrency means execute without affecting to the other, concurrently execute. Concurrency result set. First one is a result set dot concurrent underscore read only. So it create a read only result set. Updatable means we can update. Default one is read only. Here one block, that is a try block statement. This is a statement object. Con dot create statement result set dot type forward only, or you can use the result set dot concurrent read only. So this is the constraint applied. This is the result set, and this is the concurrency, result set concurrency. In GTO 7 marks question also covered, like what is the result set interface. So you have to write the result set interface definition and write the various method. We already discussed various method of result set, and also write a code to update the record using interface. So by using this result set type as well as result set concurrency, we can update. Only code is required, no all the program is required, so you can write this code. Let me discuss the result set metadata interface. So what do you mean by metadata? The metadata means data about data, we all familiar. That means information about data can be obtained using result set metadata. This information can be number of columns, name of the columns, data type, like data types of column, and so on. Using the get data method, in this we use the get data method. So this method, the object for result set metadata is written. The general syntax we will discuss for metadata. So this is the result set. Metadata means data about data, and if you have to get the metadata of table, like total number of columns, column name, column type, etc. Result set metadata interface is useful because it provides the method to get metadata from result set. Dictionary is one example of metadata, because dictionary contain various words with meaningful information. Here method result set metadata is used. First one is get column count. So count, it returned the total number of column in the result set object. We are using the exception or throws SQL exception. String get column name, you can use the total count or you can use the column name integer index. It return the column name of specified column index. We are returning from index, so here integer index is used. String get column type name integer index through SQL exception, so it return the column type name for specified index. Result set metadata, one example, like if you are import the SQL, first import java.sql.star public class metadata, name of the class is metadata demo. Public static void main string argument as try class.forName, we require to load the driver. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection, connection string is used for MySQL. Statement is equal to con dot create statement, result set one is first type underscore forward only, and concurrency will manage by using concurrent read only. We are performing only read only. Result set rs is equal to statement dot execute query, select star from GTU. Result set metadata RSMD, one object is created for result set metadata. RSMD is one object, is equal to rs dot get data, get metadata. System dot out dot println total column, and we retrieve the value from RSMD dot get column count. System dot out dot println column name of first column plus result set metadata dot get column name. System.out.println column type name of the first column plus result set metadata dot get column name, column type. Statement dot close connection and connection dot close exception e is required while performing the error. So this is nothing but result set metadata. If in exam only write to code of result set, so this is the code for result set metadata. What is the output of this program? Here system.out.println generate the output. So 1, 2 and 3 line represent the output. Total count that is 3, get the total count, and system.out.println column name, first column name is enrollment number, and column type name of the first column enrollment number, that cover the integer data type. Enrollment number is covered in integer data type. So column type here result set metadata information will retrieve from third, that is column type. Database metadata, what do you mean by database metadata? Database metadata, that is the interface provide one method to get metadata of a database, such as database product name, database product version, driver name, name of the total number of tables, etc. So this is the example. First we create the connection by using connection object con driver manager dot get connection. Database metadata dmdb, dbmd is equal to con dot get metadata. System dot out dot println get database product name plus database metadata dot get dbmd dot get database product name. System.out.println get database product version plus system.out.println we are required the get driver name plus dbmd dot get driver name. System dot out dot println, we require the version, so plus dbmd dot get version. URL, name of the user. So this type of a question asked, maybe asked in GTU exam or already asked in summer 18, winter 18, winter 18, like explain the use of database metadata or explain the result set metadata with suitable program. 3 marks of question. And let me discuss the next portion, that is executing SQL updates. What is SQL updates? The execute update method is used to update the database while we are performing the SQL statement like data manipulation language. The method used for updating the database like DML statement use insert, delete, update, or data definition language like create, alter, and so on. This method returns the integer value which represent the number of rows affected by the query. This value will be 0 for statement which return nothing. If database return nothing, so we use 0 value. This method through the exception, SQL exception or general syntax we will discuss, that is integer execute update. So in this example we required import SQL, import java.sql.star all the files. We required one name of the class like update demo. You can use any class instead of update demo. Public static void main string argument as try class.codename. Why we required this? To load the driver. Here driver name is MySQL. So com.mysql.jdbc driver. Connection, one object is created, driver manager dot get connection, jdbc colon mysql localhost gtu, username is root and password is also root. Statement is equal to con dot create statement, string query update. Here we are performing the execute SQL update. So keep in mind string query is used update query. So update table name, set values. So update table name is that, set value is equal to name. First one is a ABC value of name, where enrollment number is 601. You can use any numbers instead of 601. Okay. Integer I is equal to statement dot execute update query. So this query will be performed, and after performing this query, result that performs system.out.println total number of row affected. So total number of row updated is equal to that cover into counter plus I. So I represent, or I is the counter. Statement dot close, connection dot close, and exception p system dot out dot println. So what is the output of this program? Here system.out.println total number of row updated, total number of row updated 1, because we are performing only single entry, we are updating only single entry. Update that set name is equal to ABC601, where enrollment number is 601. Okay. Transaction management we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you for attending this session.